Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So you're not seeing app passwords on your Google account. I was also having this issue. I'm gonna teach you guys how you can fix that issue. And the app password is the 16-digit password which is used for connecting your Google account with third-party apps. So if you are connecting third-party apps and you were trying to generate an app password using your Google account and you were not finding an option, you have to watch this complete video, a super simple and short video to teach you guys how you can fix this issue. So let's get into it. So that's my Gmail email, and all you have to do is just click here and then click on manage your Google account. And once you land on Google account and you search for app passwords, you see that I do not have this option. Now the reason why I don't have this option is that I do not have 2FA option enabled. So I'm going to enable the 2FA option. So let's click on security and sign in. And here I'm gonna enable the 2FA. You can see that currently the two-step verification is turned off. I'm simply gonna enable that. If it is not enabled on your account, make sure to enable that. So click on that. And here I'm simply gonna click on turn on two-step verification. Click on done. And now you can see that it's enabled. Now I'm gonna go back to the account settings and then search for app passwords. And then you can see that now I have the option of generating app passwords. Now when you click on app passwords, you can name your app whatever you want. Like I'm gonna name it testing app and then click on create. And once you do that, you will see this 16-digit app password. And this is a secret password, which you should not be sharing with anyone. If you share this with anyone, the other person will be able to access your Google account. So make sure to keep it as secret. I'm going to delete that one, which you are seeing currently on my screen right now. So make sure to not to share this app password with anyone. So that's how you can fix the app password option not available in your Gmail email account. If you're having an issue, let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.